Good morning, students. How are you? I'm back again with the same chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay, we were doing identities and we have done exercise 8.4, question number 1 and 2. You can delete question number 3 also because that is same as for complementary angle, which is deleted. Question number 4 you will try yourself. I am not going to do that. I am doing question number 5. But before that, we'll do example number 13. We'll do example number 13. Because example number 13 and question 5, all 10 parts are of same type. So we'll do them all together. We have to prove sec A 1 minus sin A sec A plus tan A is equal to 1. We have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. So let's do sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A 1 minus sin A. Sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. And this is all LHS. Okay, and what we are changing, we have to write here in column. Sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A, tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. Now we'll open the bracket. First we'll multiply these two. It will be 1 minus sin A upon cos A. And here we can take the LCM. Both the denominators are same, so it will be 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Okay. Now A minus B, A plus B. So we will have 1 square minus sin square A upon cos square A. We will write here 1 minus A minus B, A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. Whatever identity we will use, we will write it there. Now 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. And which identity we have used? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. This is the method of proving them. We have to prove LHS is equal to RHS, one method. Second, we have to prove RHS is equal to LHS. And third method, we'll solve LHS to some extent, RHS to some extent, and both of them should be equal. Now we'll do the next example. Example 14. It says cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. Is it okay? Now again we will take LHS. Cot means cos upon sin. Cos A upon sin A minus cos A upon cos A upon sin A plus cos A. And what we have used? Cot A is equal to cos A upon sin. Now both of them are having cos. We can take that common. Cos A 1 upon sin A minus 1 cos A 1 plus sin A plus 1. Cos A and cos A will cancel and 1 upon sin A is cosec A. Cosec A plus 1 is equal to RHS. And what we have used here, 1 upon sin A is equal to cosec. Am I clear? This way we have to prove. Now next, example number 15 we'll do tomorrow, because same question we are having in exercise. So we'll do both of them tomorrow. Now we'll do rest of the questions. We'll do exercise 8.4 question number 5 ka first. Exercise 8.4 question number 5 ka first. Am I clear? First part is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. We have to prove cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. We are not cos in LHS. So first of all we'll simplify it. 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta whole square. We can solve it this way, or else we can solve it A minus B also directly. We can change it, then we can solve it. That is our choice. So we will write it here. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. We will simplify it. 1 minus cos theta sin theta whole square. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square. Can we write it like this? 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. A minus B, A minus B. We are not using any identity. We are just writing it as it is. Sin theta whole square means sin square theta. So now we will write it as 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. Am I clear? After this, we will do 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta beta means A square minus B square. A square minus B square means A minus B, A plus B. We can open it like this. This will cancel. So what we got? 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. It means we have got our RHS. After this we will write 1 is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta is equal to RHS. Hence proof. Okay? Second part of this question. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Now we will take the LCM, and I told you how to take LCM in fractions. We have discussed this in quadratic equations also. we'll multiply these two, we'll multiply these two, and we'll multiply these two. So we will have cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square upon cos A 1 plus sin A. What we have done? We have multiplied these two, cos square A 1 plus sin A whole square, and then we multiplied these two. We will open this by identity. Cos square A, then A square plus B square plus 2AB upon cos A 1 plus sin A. Now we know cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. But which identity we have used? We have used cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. Now we will have 2 plus 2 sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. We will take 2 common from the numerator. 2 1 plus sin A upon cos 1 plus sin A. We can cancel 1 plus sin A. So what we got now? 2 upon cos A. And 1 upon cos A is equal to sec A. 2 sec A. And we will write here 1 upon cos A is equal to sec A is equal to RHS. Am I clear what we have done? You have to practice all these questions at least 3 to 4 times. Minimum. Okay, unless you will not just see, oh, it's very easy, but when you have to do, then you are not able to do it. You have to do it once, twice, thrice, at least for 10 days daily. Only then you will learn them. Because out of all these 13 questions, 3 examples and 10 these questions, one question must come in all papers, CBSE papers, board paper. So keep practicing these questions. Okay? Now the third part. It is tan A upon 1 minus cot tan theta. 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Now we will change tan in sin by cos. Sin theta by cos theta 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Now we will take LCM in the denominator. We will have sin theta by cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. And here you have to write values of tan and cot. Now we are having 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. And how to solve them? We have to multiply these 4. First and fourth will be multiplied and second and third. So we will have sin theta into sin theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta cos theta into cos theta upon sin theta cos theta minus sin. What we have done, please understand, I have multiplied these two, then these two. These two, then these two. Okay, we have multiplied it this way. After this, sin square theta, we got sin square theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Now if you will look at the denominator, it is sin minus cos and it is cos minus sin. We can take minus common from this, then we will have both the things same. So we will do sin square theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, and from here I will take minus common, so minus will come here. It will be cos square theta sin theta minus cos theta. Now we will take the LCM here also. Sin theta minus cos theta are same, so only sin will come here and cos will go there. We will have sin cube theta minus cos cube theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. This is common, so it will come as it is and it will not be multiplied with anything. Now we are having a cube minus b cube. What is the identity of that? We are having a minus b. I will write it here. Our identity is sin theta minus cos theta, then a square plus b square minus ab upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Am I clear? A minus b, a square plus b square plus a. Now we can cancel sin theta minus cos theta. What we are left with? Sin square plus cos square, 1 plus sin theta cos theta sin theta. We can write it as 1 upon cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. It can cancel, and 1 upon cos is sec theta, 1 upon sin is cosec theta plus 1. So we got 1 plus sec theta cosec theta is equal to RHS, and here you have to write the reason also. I hope you understand what we have done. Okay. When you look at this, sometimes you got it's very easy, sometimes you got puzzled. It's very difficult. How can we do it? Nothing to get afraid. Just do it again and again. Okay? Until you do the practice, you will get afraid of it. I am not doing many more questions. We are doing only this many questions in this class so that you do practice. And tomorrow we are having a live class. I want you to do all these 4 questions. Only then we'll move forward. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.